Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Today we're going to look at Capital One Financial. As this stock is breaking out higher, this is the daily chart of Capital One Financial. Recently it traded sideways and broke out of this consolidation. Heavy volume here indicate buyers. It broke out of this consolidation and now it's moving higher, which is something good. It had a bullish cross here and where the 20 MA crossed back above the 50 MA, and we have a kind of small ascending triangle breakout. Okay, you can see the stock breaking out higher. After the bullish cross, you can actually trade this where you buy, put a stop loss here or below the entire pattern and ride it higher. This will give you a very good reward to risk. Okay, right here, and if your stop is here and you reach about here, so the risk reward ratio is 4.25. Every 1,000 that is risk will get you 4,000 plus. So something for us to take note of, especially when we see a setup after a bullish cross. Now the stock is still in an uptrend, and the rising 50 MA and 200 MA tells us to continue to be bullish on this stock in the midterm and long term. Now with that aside, let's take a look at the weekly chart. I'm very positive on this one. It had a bullish cross here which hinted of a rise. This is a weekly chart, and eventually it broke above the resistance area here. So this entire area, you see how it acted as a resistance. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times it could not break out, but eventually it break out higher, and all resistance becomes a new support area. So we have support 1 here and a very strong support here, and this stock has declined and formed a kind of rounded bottom. And from here we can see, because of their support, the path of this resistance will be upward, and soon it will reach 177. Okay, remember this is not a daily chart or hourly chart, so it's a weekly chart. It might take many weeks, maybe 2 to 3 months or longer, but we have the stock above the rising 20 MA, the weekly chart rising 50 MA, so this tells us that there's likelihood that it can move higher. In the past, when there was a bullish cross above the 20 MA, rose and rose and rose until the 20 MA move sideways and decline, and we have a bearish cross. So when we have a bearish cross in the weekly chart, always be careful. So the other thing is the stock has broken above a downtrend line in the weekly chart here. So this signals a change of trend from a bearish downtrend to weekly bullish uptrend. So right now there are resistance areas here. These are resistance areas that need to be overcome, but with a current uptrend, I don't think that's a problem. So we might see some rise, decline, or consolidation and breakout, but that's okay. Let's move to the monthly chart. Monthly chart, we can see the reasons why this stock stopped dropping, because there was an old highs here, and this old highs acted as support area. You can see how the stock refused to go down when it reached this area, from bottoming tails that hinted of a rise. You can actually see that there's two monthly bottoming tail, a monthly bottoming tail here, and I usually like to use the bottoming tail in the weekly and monthly charts to tell us where the stock is likely to go. For example, there's a bottoming tail here. You can buy the breakout, put the stop loss here, and it will move higher. And if the stock does not drop below the lows of the bottoming tail here, then the path will be going up. Similarly here, this bottoming tail in the monthly chart, you can actually buy the setup, ride it higher, put a stop loss here. And for analysis purposes, as long as the stock is above the lows of this bottoming tail, the path will be higher and even making new all-time highs in the future. So in the hourly chart, you can see that this is a support area, and that's why when it declined to here, it found support, and currently is still rising above the 20 MA, 50 MA, so we should continue to be bullish short term as well. So these are not very popular stocks, but sometimes we look at them. There's so many things that we can learn and enjoy looking at charts like this. If you enjoy looking at charts like this and you learn something, do like my video and subscribe to my channel for more analysis like this, and I'll see you in the next one.